Hi! In front of me is Infinix Smart 6 HD, and today I would like to show you how you can rename this device. Firstly, open Settings and click on My Phone. After that, you need to select device name section here and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with maybe Sam. When you're ready, you need to click on OK. And now, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, when I click OK in this device name pop-up, name of my Infinix has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!